Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video, and in today's video we will be featuring Oh My Pretty. Shout out to Oh My Pretty for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this wig. So today I have a 26-inch Brazilian body wig. This wig is glueless, HD, 4x6 HD lace, 180 density, pre-plucked. The lace is pre-cut. This is literally ready to go. So for this install, we kept it very simple. All I really did to the top of the wig was flat iron the top. I did add very little powder to the lace. What I really like about this wig is the impressive construction cap that they use, the type of straight stitch that they use, as well as the placement of the tracks. Like, I'm really impressed by the construction of this wig. This hair is very full. I want you to pay attention to how full this hair is. Once I wand curl one side of the hair, I show you the difference between the side that's wanded and the side that is just air dried. I did bleach the knots on this wig. That's the only customization that I really did. You do not have to bleach the knots. You could just go in with powder or a wig concealer, as I did for my center part. But I just prefer to bleach the knots, so that's what I did. Nonetheless, this hair is beautiful. Definitely true to length, definitely has a bomb fit. There is an elastic strap inside, which is adjustable, so I love that. That will help you wear this wig glueless. You can lift this on and off. And what I like about the glueless wigs is I feel like they last a little longer. Anything that you have to put product into the lace, it becomes caked up after a while. So even if you're someone that takes those wigs off, you're going to have to wash that wig really like within a few days, because once that product starts to build up, okay, if you have the best HD lace, it's going to be crusty. But I am loving this glueless pre-plucked install. The lace is bomb, y'all. The lace is bomb. So shout out to them, shout out to y'all, and I'll see you in the next video.
That's nuts, Lily.
Let go. No time for bad energy. More life and it's more money. In my life today, God on my side today. Can't decide, oh. Whether it's the Henny and nice, can't decide, oh. Whether that we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. She said me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mega mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on beach side in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah. Anywhere me go, know the gang go. Been long since I reached back home. Remember days you was on a back road. Till a lot of places that we can go. Yes, I know. Might just pick up my back and go. I need to roll. Can't do what they say anyways. Think twice before you play me. Say yeah when you've been late. Lately you been acting crazy. Shady, I can tell who's shady. Hate me but still rate me. Maybe it must be, maybe I must be crazy. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on beach side in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. I wanna see the view. Sweet island man, life so sweet. I can't hide your let's go. Sweet island man, life so sweet. I can't hide stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mega mood. I like, get away. Tough life far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on B-side in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. No stress, no stress, no. That boy used to be, I used to be. XO, XO. Can't let them boy get to me.
That's nuts, Millie.
Yeah. Leaving me, dripping out on me. Already got what you needed, I guess. Quickly learned yourself through me. Already gave you what you needed, I guess.